Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here is that viral eyeshadow blending hack that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and I've saw some on Instagram too, so I said why not try it. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And it also gave me the perfect chance to use this palette that I've been having sitting in my drawer since I got it in that Boxy Charm pop-up sale. But anyway, I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm doing mine at an angle because I like the angled out shape for my eye, like that winged out shape on the end. And I'm using the same two brushes, just cleaning them off in between. And I use the bigger brush for the front of my eye, and then I'm just going to blend all those shades together. This did require a lot of blending to make it look good, and then I went back into the colors to build them up again, and then I blended it out again. These eyelashes, by the way, I got on Amazon for free because I bought a couple of pairs from this buyer and they wanted me to leave a review and they sent me some freebies. I like these lashes as well, so yeah, if you're wondering if you haven't ever seen that name brand before. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video, which I think is where I tried to do that lash hack and it didn't work out for me, but I ended up doing the viral blend again because I liked it. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!